Welcome. Today, let's talk about our HR performance dashboard Google Sheet template. If you are an HR decision maker looking to have a simple yet robust performance management for your organization, do watch till the end. We believe this template is for you. With key performance metrics and reports, identify and evaluate employee performance in a constructive and continuous manner. All that's needed to get this fully automated dashboard is 5 simple steps. Let's take a look at each of them now. Firstly, enter company specific details on the settings page. This includes the employee attributes, job attributes like location, department, job title, salary grades, etc. Exit attributes, that is, give the exit reasons. For performance attribute, enter a date for each performance review period, and a corresponding name like Q1 of 2021 as given here, and so on. Then specify the age and tenure group for employees as defined by your company. Please note that these attributes are customizable. In the 9-box grid sheet, you can customize the names and descriptions of each of the boxes as needed. Secondly, in the employee sheet, enter the list of all employee names and their details like email ID, date of birth, the start date of employment, salary, salary grades, and the rest of the required fields. The third step, in the employee update sheet, enter any changes in employment, record the reason here and the other attributes. Now, in the fourth step, this is also quite straightforward, the performance sheet. Choose an employee, enter their performance and potential levels for a review period. Once entered, the Google Sheet automatically calculates the 9-box name against the given performance and potential level. Once all this information is entered, you can view the automated dashboard. In the performance dashboard, enter a review period for which you need the dashboard to be populated. Once this is given, view the number of reviews, the high performance percentage, the low performance percentage of employees instantly. On the right, the performance based on each grade is given. Say, 29% of analysts are low performers here. You can also view performances based on a set of analysis dimensions like location, gender, hiring source, etc. by selecting the required dimension here. Get median salaries by tenure in this report. Say for a relatively new joiner, what is the pay for a low performer and what is the pay for a high performer? See how they vary for each tenure group. Similarly, within a grade, get median salaries for different performance levels. In the performance trends sheet, across review periods, you can drill down further and get a deeper picture of trends. This too for various analysis dimensions like hire source, location, department, gender, etc. In the 9-box grid dashboard, for a review period, get the count of employees who fall under each box and the corresponding names. Have a quick view of what percentage of employee come under each of these categories. All of these dashboards come with multiple filters to aid in a deeper analysis of employee performance. In all, with minimal time in data entry, get multiple reports to put a strategically successful performance management process in place, make data-driven decisions on various aspects of employee performance. Thank you for staying with us through the video. We hope this was informative. If you have any questions or comments, we would love to hear from you. Reach out to us through our website or LinkedIn or send us an email at support@indzara.com. We appreciate your support and value your feedback. Also, if you want to see more such videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss an update. We have a lot more great content coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon.